Now I am going to discuss about how to use Logisim. Okay, it is an open source software. In that you can test the basic logic operations. So basic logic operations can be tested in this. So I am going to teach you how to do the basic gate testing, or how to do the combination logic, basic combination logic circuit testing in it. Okay. So first of all, I want to test an AND gate. So you can find the AND gate here, or you can go to the gates and select the AND gate. So all the gates are available here. You can select whichever gate you want. The procedure for testing will be same. So I am taking an AND gate. See, now if you see this, there is lot of inputs in it. So you can go to the selection of AND gate. In that, the number of inputs is there. So that you can change based on your requirement. So let us take 2. Okay, the number of input to be 2. Okay, and then I need to apply input to this, and I know I want to check the output. So I can check the output using this output pin. So I will be connecting the output pin to your AND gate. Next I am going to apply inputs. So I am going to connect this input pins. Okay, let us connect this. Just click, drag and connect. Okay, click, drag and connect. So I made the connections now. Okay, so while making the connections, while picking the components for every time, so this arrow mark symbol should be taken. If you want to give some commands, go to A. So edit text. Okay, you can type text here. So A, and wherever you want to type, just click over there and type A. So that is one of the input. The second input is B, and output is going to be F. So this is the name I am assuming. Okay, I just made it. Now if you want to see the output of this AND gate, so you have to select this, change values within the circuit. So here we don't have any separate simulation button. Okay, so it will be keep on running. Just assume that it is keep on running. So I need to select this. So here you can see simulation is enabled always. It is always enabled. So if you are selecting this, okay, the hand symbol, you have to select this. Okay, this is to change the values at the input. See, we have 0 0 now. I can change it into 0 1. So one of the input is 1, other input is 0, still the output is 0. I can make it as 1 0, still the output is 0, 1 1, my output will become 1. So you can notice one more thing also. If I keep applying 1, that line turns to green, it means it is carrying 1. If I am applying 0, it is dark. Okay, it is dark, it means it is carrying 0. It is carrying 0. So this is how we can simply test an AND gate. The truth table can be tested. Similarly, I will explain you how to construct a simple circuit. Let us take a half adder. So how to construct a simple half adder circuit. Okay, so I will do this. I will select everything and delete it, and I am going to take an XOR gate. You cannot find the XOR gate here, so I will be taking the XOR gate somewhere here. So now the input for the XOR gate is around 5, so that I am going to change here to 2, because I only 2 inputs, and I need an AND gate. Select it, place it here, and number of inputs needed is again 2, select it. Okay, so now I need 2 inputs. Let us take add pin, input pins. So 2 input pins I am going to add. Okay, so and I should have 2 output. So 2 output pins I am going to add. Okay, before making the connection, I will just give the input labels. This is A, and this is B, this is sum, and this is carry. So I have given the name for all. Okay, now I need to make the connections. For making the connection, I need to select this and start connecting it. Click, drag. Okay, you can see the pin here, click and you can drag. So you can even move this up and down. Okay, you can even move this up and down. Now connect the output of the XOR gate to the output of the sum. Okay, now I am going to make this connection A and B connection. Then output will be A and B, and that will be connected to carry. Okay, that will be connected to carry. Now you can directly test it. How can I test it? I need to go to the hand symbol here. Click here. Now you can give 0 0, the output is 0 0 0 1. So what it is doing? 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 sum will be 1. The same one is applied to the AND gate also. This is calculating the carry. So 1 and 0 is 0. So now 1 0. So I am applying 1 0. So the light green color means that line is carrying 1. So 1 is logic high, it is carrying 1. So this is my output. So output is 1. So one input is 1. So 1 plus 0 is 1. If both the inputs are 1, 1 plus 1 will be 1 0. Okay, sum should be 0 and carry should be 1. So both the inputs are 1. The XOR output becomes 0, and that output the input is given to AND gate. I am getting 1 as output. Okay. So this is the basic operations. Like that you can pick any gate. You can even take an inverter and connect the input and output to this and check how it is working. Okay, I applied 0 here, the output becomes 1. So if I want to change the input, I need to go to the change values with the circuit. Okay, which is hand symbol. Let us take this. 1 means 0, 0 means 1. So like that you can take any of the gates. So in the following lecture I will be discussing about how to use the memory elements. Okay, now thank you.